Today we'll repair water-damaged RC car controller. Rust everywhere. Let's test it. Not working. Let's check points. Because of rust points not working properly. Let's test circuit. Circuit looks fine but neato to resoldering. Let's test buttons. Everything looks okay. Before resoldering we need to clean it with circuit cleaner. Clean cell points too. Cell points are still rusty, I don't think it will work. Time to resoldering. Carefully resolder the points, don't damage. Still won't working. Cell port not working. Left side both point damaged with rust. Let's remove left side points and replace. Other side seems stuck, let's force to remove. Successfully replaced, not tested. Voltage stabled successfully. It's working successfully. Let's reassemble it. Thanks for watch and stay connected.